have another one of my anti-silicone bomb bitch fits right now. Over here working on Chuck's Sable. And we've had a trans leak for a while. Trans leak and motor oil leak. We'll get to that later in his videos. But look at this. I wish people knew how to do their damn job. This is not how you do your job. So now I have to spend time and bill Chuck for my time for cleaning up someone else's mess because they're too dumb to do it right. I just did a rant video relating to this, and it'll be in the rants playlist. Anyway, so I get to clean this mess up now. Thanks, last guy that was here. Oh, and in case you're wondering, it's all coming off by hand. Like, I'm not even using a razor blade. I'm just literally pulling it off because they did not clean the surface beforehand. They just boogered this horse shit on. What in the fuck is wrong with people? I'm using this clip in both videos, by the way. My rant video and Chuck's. So you'll probably see this twice. But I don't care. Because you gotta learn. And if you're the type of person that does this nonsense, just don't even get me started.